Okay, so again, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut and paste. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to do Control C. I'm going to do Control V. So go here, and I'm going to think, what are my ordered pairs? Well, ordered pairs are in parentheses. So my first ordered pair would be 10, because that's part of the input. And what is that with? 15. So some of you kind of need to do this. Some of you may not, but I'm going to do it anyway. So the next number I have in my input, which is my domain, is 20. So what is 20 mapped with? 20 is mapped with, I'm going to follow the arrow down, 45. So I'm going to say 20, 45. They definitely give you mappings in standardized tests, so I cannot avoid these. So 30. One thing that's nice is the fact that I've been teaching a long time and I kind of know what they're going to ask you. 30, 25. So 30, 25. And my last one is 40. So 40, comma, 35. Okay. So why did I do that? Because then maybe it's easier for you to realize what the domain is. So the domain is just the first numbers. So it'd be just 10, 20, 30, 40. That would be my domain. And the range are just the second number. So my range would be 15, 25, 35, and 45. Now I can get that by the picture too, but sometimes people like to see the ordered pairs laid out, because then they can really see that I'm not repeating an X value. So I could say, yes, because I'm not repeating an X. That's all I need to say. Now you can see that visually, but sometimes it's hard for people to see it visually, so that's why I also would like you to put the ordered pairs. Once we get going on this, you don't have to list the ordered pairs each time, but if it's something that you need to do in order to answer the question, then I'm going to ask you to do that. If you're really confused and you have no idea what we're doing, then the best thing to do is to write down exactly what you see. 10 is to 15, 10, 15. 20 goes to 45, so that's why it's 20, 45. 30 goes to 25, 30 is to 25. 40 goes to 35. I'm just trying to make this as easy as I can do it. I've seen it over the years. I've seen what tricks up kids, so that's why I'm having you do that. When you get to the next slide, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to list what goes with what. So again, I would just cut and paste it and then fill that in. So try that one on your own.